not ashamed of admitting to when I'm wrong. So this video is about, oh my God, I lied, but I'm gonna tell you the truth, because I've always told so many people in the overage industry, like when we're working list, or like the list that I have on my course, or when I'm working list in my cohort, I've always told people that, the counties do not let you know if it's been redeemed or if it's been filed. And like, oh my God, lo and behold, this is going to be like the best cohort ever. So if you have not signed up for my cohort, and this is probably, I'm probably going to do one more this year, but this is going to be by far the best list, because this is the first time in history. So when I'm doing cohorts, let me just say this first. When I'm doing cohorts, the reason why I don't like to do them is because I literally lay out all the groundwork. I have to build the relationship with the claimant, because at the end of the day, you guys, I really don't want to take people's money, but I realized that when I was doing it for free, nobody showed up. So I had to charge people so that they could show up. But really, the reason why I'm doing this cohort is for you to get your money back, but also for you to learn, and then for you to help other people get their money back. So the whole camaraderie of my cohort, first of all, is hopefully that you can learn and get a claimant. So not only do you get your money back from the course, but you make more money. Okay, so that was really like my mindset. Not everybody gets a claim. I'll be completely honest, not everybody processes a claim, but what you will get is hands-on information. So anyway, back to my story about, oh my God, I lied, right? So I've been stressed the F out, honestly, because I'm like, I want to work this county, but the lady would not call me back. And I'm like, I'm not going to work a county that I don't build a relationship. And I only honestly do this for my cohorts because I want more of a chance for my students to get claims. And I just want to have a higher profitability and probability that they get it. So anyway, I'm talking to this claimant. I'm not talking to this claimant. I'm talking to the lady in this county that we're going to work. And lo and behold, you guys, she emails me the spreadsheet of not only who's filed the claims, but has redeemed the claims. So I'm sorry, I lied. I was thinking about working this other county, which was a super simple list, super easy. I already had a relationship with this county, and I was going to work that, but she was like, that's personal information. We don't give that information. So if you haven't signed up for my cohort, this is probably one of the best ones ever, because it's given me everything. It's like, we don't have to guess if someone's filed it or even if someone's called it, because I just got a spreadsheet of every claim that has been filed. So I'm just going to delete all those claims off my list. I've already built a relationship with this lady. We literally just had an hour conversation, and super cool lady. So anyway, this whole video was about, there are counties that will let you know if the funds have been redeemed or if they've, submitted a claim or a file. So there are counties. Now, I've been doing this for a while, and not a lot of counties do this. So I just want to thank the Overage gods for helping me find this county, because quite frankly, this is probably like one of the best counties that I've worked. And even the person that actually processed the excess proceeds, super cool lady. I love her already. And she's like, just call me if you have any problems or need any help, which I love that too. And she literally gave me everything that we need. So I am 100% confident if you are going to be a part of my cohort on August 2nd, we more than definitely will process and file a claim. I'm like 100% sure, because it eliminates all the competition. We're not going to be wasting our time, literally. Like most of the time when I'm getting lists, I don't know if anybody's filed them or processed them. We don't know, because a lot of counties don't give you that information. So I just want to apologize for those that I said before, that counties do not give you the information. Apparently some counties do. Now, I've worked like over 10 counties, and none of them was like, we don't do that. They were like, that's unheard of. But I found one, guys. I found one. And guess what? I'm giving it to my cohort students, because I feel that this would be a better way for us to file claims and not waste our time. So if you want to be a part of the cohort, I do have a coupon code called cohort. And so this is probably the only time I'm going to offer this, where you're going to actually get my overage course. So if you click the link below, you will be getting the overage course, but I'm also working an exclusive list for my cohort only. So if you get the overage course, you're actually getting 2 in 1. So you're going to get my course, which also has multiple lists you can work, and then you're going to get an exclusive list to work my cohort. So if you just click the link below, I also have a free tax deed and overage guide, as well as to sign up for the overage course. So on it, it's going to say overage course, but you will get an exclusive link for our Zoom call on August 2nd, along with an exclusive list that we're going to work. So it's not on the overage course. So if you're looking for the list on the course, it's not there. But after the cohort, you can work those lists too, because now you're going to have hands-on education. And so I'm kind of like a hands-on learner, so that's why I originally started the cohort, but it just came a little overwhelming. And like I said, I was like really stressed out, because I take myself through the process before I teach somebody else, and sometimes it could be a little daunting when I'm like, trying to get down to the timeline. But I'm just so grateful for those that it's meant to be in this cohort for August 2nd. I really believe that we will get a claimant in this, because it's a super awesome list, and I like the fact that we don't have, it takes the guesswork. Like, we already will know who has filed and who has not filed a claim. So this is going to make our job a lot more easier, and it's going to cut down some of the downtime. And so yeah, I also have some other exciting news to share if you do become a part of our cohort on August 2nd. Like I said, the cohort coupon will expire by Friday, so it will be cohort as a coupon, so that way I know to send you the exclusive list in the Zoom link. So yes, you will be signing up for the overage course. You also will get a discount, which will be cohort, and I'm also going to send you an exclusive list. So if you're interested in, and actually I should say, if you're a hands-on learner like myself, I would suggest doing the cohort, because you're going to get me for 4 weeks, and I'm literally giving you homework every week. I basically lay down everything that you need, and then I'm giving you tools to apply so that you're learning as you're earning. So that's the whole point of this, learn while you earn. I'm making it a lot more simpler for you. I'm also going to do the skip tracing for you, but I'm also going to teach you how to skip trace. So there's a lot of good things that's going to go in this, because I'm wanting more successes. I have successes all the time, but I want more. Like, I would love for 100% of my cohorts to get it, but normally it's like 10 or 15% of the people that get it, to be honest, that are in my cohort that gets a claim. So I would love for this class to be 100%, that everybody gets one. There's enough leads for everybody in this actual cohort. I only limited it to 11 people, because initially I was only going to do a smaller list, but I found this one. But I'm still going to keep it, I still am going to only keep it at 11, because I just feel like I could manage that better. So if you're interested in starting this overage business, I highly suggest you sign up for the cohort, or just watch my videos, comment, like, and subscribe. Like I said, I don't mind sharing information. So I am here to help to a certain degree. But for those that want to process and file claims with me, I look forward to seeing you on the other side, and happy investing in your excess proceeds. See you later. Thanks for watching. Don't forget also to like and subscribe, or just make a comment. Look forward to seeing you on the other side.